My innovation is about Alkanol gel as a form of renewable energy. And Alkanol gel is a form of energy which is substituting the use of the conventional means of cooking, which is firewood, charcoal, gas. We are using assorted fruit peelings, which after eating the fruits we throw away. These fruit peelings, on decomposition, they produce methanoic compounds, which causes global warming, and number two, it is a health hazard to our bodies. So you're using this waste to come up with Alkanol. Then you're also using egg shells, which after eating the eggs or after chicks hatch, you normally throw them away, so you're utilizing this waste. So a combination of the two gives us Alkagel. And then to give it color, our fuel, and to give it the repelling factor, we use D-limonene from the orange peels. D-limonene has properties of repelling mosquitoes, air freshener. So as you cook using this fuel, yes, you are cooking, number one. Number two, you are repelling mosquitoes, and also you are refreshing your environment or the room. And the main aim or the main objective was to mitigate global warming by coming up with a renewable form of energy which is cheap compared to the existing ones. Currently, the products are being produced in large quantities, but the only obstacle we have, which we are almost overcoming, is the standardization from KEBS, and it is actually in the final stages. Currently, I'm working on a different project, and this one is addressing health. So we're using papaya seeds. We eat the pawpaw, and most of the time we normally throw away the seeds. Now the seeds contain an essential oil which doesn't contain any cholesterol. Now there's another important parameter on cancer treatment which is being addressed by this oil. So apart from cancer treatment, we have heart attack, and it's one of the projects being undertaken by myself in collaboration with KIRDI. As we talk, KEBS has given us a certification for the product. So this one will be on market soon compared to the other one. But the only challenge is we need to have a patent, which is still pending. We can't take it to the market or disclose much without the patent. Yeah. For us to produce extra virgin oil, yes, there are so many processes of producing. We have chemical extraction, we have mechanical pressure, we have CO2 sequestration process. But then we can't use chemical extraction because it is being consumed. So we'll use CO2 sequestration process, which requires a heavy machine, a heavy autoclave machine which can overcome high pressure. And then we also need a mechanical presser. Currently we are sourcing a mechanical presser from Masinde Mliro, where I'm doing the extractions. Yeah. For the pawpaw, actually, if you study the behavior of papaya, we call it carica papaya, it doesn't have a specific season. Pawpaws, you realize all through the year you can't miss getting a pawpaw in the market. So, and what we are specifically targeting is the seeds. So we have collection centers in the townships and in the bigger towns where the fruit vendors will give us the seeds. That is upon request or placing an order. Now in the bigger project that we have, that is on Alkagel, we want to have a farm where we'll be producing. That is part of our, it is in our proposal, that we will have a farm producing all these fruits, because we only need the fruit peelings for Alka gel. Then we'll have a department dealing with the flesh on how they can maybe make juices or other products. Then the waste, like, which will come from papaya, the seeds will be used to produce this. The number two, currently I'm working with Del Monte. They were giving me fruit peelings, so they were willing to give me fruit peelings for free. And I think in an event they'll have purpose, which they currently don't, they'll still give the same offer. We have a registered company already, call it Alka Gel Limited. And apart from that, we want to open a biofuel production unit in Maseno for research purposes. Alongside the research unit in Maseno, will have a parallel company outside Maseno. That is for Alka Gel. For this one, we haven't registered a company, but we can still incorporate the two. This product, we promote it through shows, exhibitions, and conferences. What I'm supposed to do is to give the products for free, and then to the consumers, and then do an oral talk or an oral presentation, get their feedback. So there are these people whom I'll give the product for free, who will spread the gospel about the effectiveness or the impact the product has.